Good day, viewers. Walter here. I decided I want to plant me a little bean trellis or bean patch. I had a fairly big tomato cage that I didn't use yesterday, and my idea is to dig a big circle, turn the earth, and put a post right in the middle for the vines to grow up. Last time I grew these pole beans, they grew like 10 feet tall, and I've got some of the seeds in my freezer, some of them from last year and some of them that's been in there 3 years, but I think they'll still grow. We're going to plant them and see as soon as I get this dirt turned. Well, where do you get a 10-foot pole? Well, it'd be higher than 10, I guess, time I put 2 feet in the ground. So I went over here and cut down one of these trees. It's got to be cut down anyway if I ever get around to clearing this land. I just go through putting the axe up. I was chopping the limbs off. I'm sure I got it too darn tall. I got a piece here about 12 feet long. But that's going to be my center pole for my bean patch if I get the dirt turned. Let's see, how long is that? Let's step it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 3, 15. That's 14, 15 feet long. I'll work on my dirt here a little bit. See how much I get done today. Might not get it all done in one day. This dirt's never been turned here. Anyway, I thought I'd grow them right up this tomato cage, and when they get to the top, they can just tie off to the pole. Keep going up. I got some string down there in the basement that ought to work. I'm doing my dirt turning just a little different. I'm gonna bust this grass out of these clods before I put that dirt back in the hole. We'll get back with you. Well, I've been at it an hour. This turned into some pretty serious digging over here. A lot harder than it was over there where I dug up from last year's tomatoes. But we're making progress. I hit a hunk of cement right there and didn't quite finish my circle. But we got enough of it here to plant some beans. Well, my friends, it's beginning to look a whole lot like I'm digging a hole to China or a well or something. this works out, we'll grow some beans. It's kind of an experiment to see how many beans you can grow in one little circle. Well, it may not look like it, but I've got all that dirt turned in a big enough circle to put my beans in now. Picked all that grass out. Didn't get all the dirt out of it because I didn't want to throw the roots back in there. But I got enough in my hole there to start my bean plants tomorrow. I put too much effort in it today to continue. Time to go hit the shower. We'll work on this some more tomorrow. We're going to get them beans in the ground right there. Thanks for watching today, my friends. Please take the time to like and subscribe to my channel. I'd appreciate it.